Today, how to release the handbrake for Range Rover, Land Rover, Range Rover, all cars is without computer. How to remove manually replacement the brake pad. Let's watch. First of all, make ignition on. Second, release the handbrake. Release the handbrake. Now already release the handbrake. Then you come here. This is the electric handbrake motor. Remove the wire. We disconnect the wire. Then we have to remove the motor. Here one bolt, one, two. There is one bolt inside. In two bolt, we will remove first. See, inside there one Allengi T30. You have to open this one. This is the bolt T30. Remove this. Second, this one you have to remove. Remove these two bolts. Then you have to remove this motor very carefully. Yeah, remove the motor carefully. This is the motor to remove. Second, this is T45 Allengi. This Allengi T45. You have to fix it inside. Turn the clockwise. When you turn clockwise, see, now I turn already full. You can go back, but clock. Then we have to press one full up. Press one. See, you can release. And they'll reach the end position. See, push and reach. Okay. Thanks for watching.